Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to a Palace live cop, obviously the second upload for today. I don't think there are going to be three, I'm just going to leave it at two. But yeah, for Palace today, I'm going to be going for the slides or the sliders. I'm going to be trying for both colourways, same size, the same thing that I did when they dropped them the last time, and we'll just see how it goes. If I take an L, I take an L. If I get them, I get them, and yeah, I'm just moving on with today. So yeah, as per normal, let me know down below whether you took a W, whether you took an L going for this drop. Good luck to those who are going for it later on today. I hope you can get what you're after if you're going for anything else from the drop, and yeah, let's get into it, yeah. Okay, so there are only a couple of minutes, or there is only a couple of minutes until a drop. 2 minutes to be precise or exact, and yeah, I'm just going with it, really. After the Travis's and after I uploaded that and took my L's and then had further emails from like Foot District and other places saying, sorry, not this time, I then just went and watched the 2 episodes of Kenobi that have come out today because, yeah, I had to. Yeah, I'm not going to spoil. I won't spoil. I'm not a person who spoils, but they were good. I'm looking forward to the rest of it. So yeah, we only get them bit by bit, obviously, as per norm with most Disney Plus series. But yeah, this is about Palace, not Disney, not Star Wars. So, but there is a Funko drop today, so I am going for a couple of pieces from that. But yeah, regardless, that's not what this video is about. So we should most probably go on to the shop itself. Like I do as a standard, I've just got time.is open because typically it says that my clock is normally like 1.4 to 2.6 seconds ahead of it. So as of that, I mean, it goes 11 for me sooner, obviously, but it's that split second where it's not really live and I think it's live, and yeah, it's only 20 seconds and the stress is actually starting to hit me. So yeah, we are just going to give this the best go. I'm sure, like, no, I'm not sure. But like last time, you know, it was okay. So, we'll see. I am just going to give it my best because I would like to hit both of them. It'd be nice. Right, they're in. Same price as last time. I know I do it the slow way. I apologise that I do it the slow way. It's just how, oh, we are straight through, okay. And through to payment, okay, wow. That was probably the fastest I've ever got through a Palace queue, I'll be honest. Yeah, okay. And there we go. I realise that I need to move Palace further down for things, but yeah, just like that, we're through and done. So let me refresh them. They're obviously all still in stock, but that is crazy that it was that quick to get through and check out. I know a lot of people aren't going to be going for them this week. I understand that. I know a lot of people, you know, aren't really looking forward to them or anything, but to be honest, I find that for summer, black colourway is terrible. Because of the heat it's going to absorb for your feet, they're just going to be cooking. Unless you're walking into like water or something constantly, they're going to burn. White colourway, great. To then have a navy and a grey, you know, they aren't bad options to the side. I would more so say that white and grey would probably be the better ones in relation to the like sun and heat, but you never know. So currently it's just been over a minute and a bit-ish since the drop started, and yeah, the 2 largest sizes have sold out now. I probably should have just gone for the largest size realistically, because the largest, you know, it'd have less stock overall, but yeah, I think they'll end up selling out in the end, but it's just that the largest sizes were the ones that people realistically wanted. So let's just go on to the new tab anyway, see if anything else is sold out. I don't think anything else will this week. I should have just gone for the largest sizes because it put me through the queue like it was nothing, so, you know. But yeah, I don't think anything is going to sell out for a little bit of time. This week isn't really the most hyped. It's just the sliders or slides that people are sort of interested in the end. So yeah, that is going to cover it from me anyway. Good luck to those who are going for the drop later on or on Saturday. I believe it drops in Japan. And yeah, that is about it. So I should be uploading tomorrow and Sunday. all things working out. But yeah, I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.